Hello everyone, welcome back to COTT Electronics. Last episode we discussed areas, which refers to available businesses from which the customer could order items from. The pages, on the other hand, also refers to businesses, but it refers to more services such as the spa, which doesn't include a specific product or item, but rather an experience. The pages exist specifically for this purpose, to give the customers a rundown of what amenities are available to them. The new plus and the edit options for pages is fairly straightforward. You need to provide an overall picture, title, a description and a price for the order. You may also add a gallery at the end to showcase the amenities more fully. Similarly, sites is a simple overview of nearby landmarks, so its prompts are fairly similar to that of pages. For sites, customers can learn about them in the descriptions and galleries provided by the device. The sites that are presented here are obviously to provide an example. The landmarks available on your device will depend entirely on the location you are in. In fact, if your hotel has a partner company offering tours of such areas, you may include information about their services. Once again, thank you for watching, and for more helpful videos from COTT Electronics, please visit our channel.